Otter antics, discover the playful world of our frolicsome friends.
Sea otters, nature's hand-holding buddies, forever floating together. From rivers to coasts, otters thrive in natural diversity worldwide. Streamlined and poised, otters' sleek bodies exemplify aquatic mastery. Feast on life, otter style, masters of aquatic cuisine and balance. Jolly antics, otters bring joy to life as nature's comedians. Unite to conserve otters, protect nature's playful harmony and diversity. Otters, nature's balancers in the intricate dance of aquatic life. Cultural icons, otters symbolize playfulness and empathy across myths.